In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grammarly on laptop for free. By the end, you'll have Grammarly up and running on your computer, ready to help catch typos and improve your writing in emails, documents, and on the web. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Grammarly download and press enter. You'll see several results, but look for the official Grammarly page that mentions Grammarly for your desktop. This is the page that provides the desktop app for laptops and computers. Clicking the official result helps you avoid third-party sites and ensures you get the legitimate installer. On the Grammarly for your desktop page, find and click the button that says Download Grammarly. The site will automatically offer the correct installer for your operating system. After you click, your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. It's a good idea to keep the browser window open and avoid interrupting the download. If you see any prompt asking whether to keep or save the file, choose the option to keep or save. This is normal for executable downloads. Once the download finishes, open the installer. You can usually do this by clicking the file in your browser's download bar, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the newly downloaded installer file. If your system asks for permission to make changes, confirm to continue. Installers need this access to set up the app properly. The installation will start and typically runs automatically. You might see a progress bar while files are being copied and configured. During this time, it's best not to close the installer or shut down your laptop. Installation usually takes just a minute or two. When it's complete, the app may open on its own. If it doesn't, that's okay. Launch Grammarly by finding it in your Start menu on Windows or in your Applications folder on Mac OS. And that's it. You've successfully launched Grammarly.